I don't have a script. Hi, today I will be unboxing a package that came in the mail today. Okay, here it is. This is very exciting. I don't know why I'm wearing my headphones. I'll take them off. I hope you can hear me. I hope there's a mic that is listening to what I'm saying. Here's the package. Very exciting, I know. But here, I'll show you why it's exciting. This is a package from... Oh! Can you see it? Creator Inc. If I can read it... Oh man. I didn't realize that it was recording mirrored, but that's fine. This is fine. This is fine. Yeah. Okay, anyway. Should I say something at this moment, or should I just say how excited I am about the timing of this arrival? So, if you order from Creative Inc., so, first thing, we got a t-shirt. I hope that I ordered the right sizes, because I'm not really sure. Sometimes size charts are really hard for me to read. And also, I am so sorry for getting quiet. I tend to taper off like that, I don't know why. Anyway, oh, let me show you the other thing before I actually open it. Even though I already opened it. And then we also got this. It's matching. You see? You see? If you see this video, like it. Nah, I won't force you to do anything you don't want to. But leave a comment if you would rather wear if you're a t-shirt person or if you're a hoodie person. Because sometimes, okay, in high school, people I knew would wear hoodies but not wear a shirt underneath, and I was like, what? That's so wild. But you know, it is what it is, I guess. Okay, how do I open this? Same way you open a t-shirt, dummy. Very secure, very secure. This is awesome. Okay, so now we're actually gonna open everything. First thing I'm gonna open is the hoodie, because I'm very excited about that. I love hoodies. Love them. Oof, love them. Okay. Ooh. Wait, hold on, let me do it this way. So, we got a hoodie. There's a hood. Don't worry, there's a hood. There's definitely a hood. I'm so excited for this. Okay, I ordered size medium, so it will for sure fit nicely. Can you believe? This is so awesome. Okay, and then on the left sleeve we got, of course, definitely check out Something Else YT if you're into comedy. Oh, bars. Okay, we gotta bring it down a level. And then we got the t-shirt. Oh, I forgot to check the tag. Why would I check the tag? Just to see what's it called? The like weight, I guess. Like some hoodies are medium, some are light, and some are heavy. It doesn't say, but it feels. I think says heavyweight. I don't know what a medium weight hoodie would be, but I do have a Gildan. Is that the brand name? A Gildan hoodie that's heavyweight, and I think it feels pretty similar to this. If not, this is medium weight, but I'm gonna go ahead and say it's heavyweight. You know, for all the people who live in the colder states like me. Okay, next we got a t-shirt. A t-shirt. So this one has the same design. It's even got the something else YT branding on it. Hi. How do I make whatchamacallits? Thumbnails. How do I make those? Let's see. Can I get my whole self in it? Okay. Yeah, so it'll fit nicely. I kind of like them tighter up top, but then I like them kind of long. Yeah, that's my style. Oh. Oh dear. Wait, how is this folded even? Okay. Alright, I think it's something like that. Yeah, like that. There we go. And for the hoodie, yeah, let me just put it on. I mean, I get to wear it out. But... Hi, that's me. Let's not try. Let's try not to be awkward. How about that? What if we just because already it's kind of tight, so I think that's what I was worried about. A sticker. It says 22. I don't know what that means, but I'll keep it. Yeah. Common sense. Oh well. Nah, honestly, if I'm being honest here, and I am, because that's how I roll. This is wireless charging compatible. Let's see, it says it. It says it. Wait. I have to find the focus. Where is it? Here? Maybe this light is too bright. Let me turn it down a bit. Focus. Okay, but like, isn't that fun? It says to use scissors, but I don't need scissors. I might need scissors. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. I can reuse this. That's cool. Okay, here's my phone case. So, I have rhinestones on my phone case. It'll still stick, right? It'll be fine. It's fine, it's fine. So when I'm not rocking my hoodie or my fabulous t-shirt, I can just pull my camera and be like, hey, what's up guys? No. Sorry, I didn't freaking one out. That was weird. Forget about it. Okay, anyway, for real, oh. Sorry. Thank you everyone. Wait, actually, I wanna try and like showcase the color. If that's alright. I mean, I think this is pretty true toned on the camera. I think. Yeah, that's it. Cool. And because this is a video, I'm gonna, I don't know, be weird on camera. Do you wear your hoodies with these tied? I'm trying to figure out how to tie it. I don't know, does it look redonkulous? Wait, what am I doing? Kinda looks like I have a mic. That's pretty cool. Anyway, thank you for watching. Comment down below if you would, yeah, okay. Thank you. Now I have to edit somehow. And also, thank you for watching this unscripted unboxing epic. Okay, see you in the next one. Peace.